Let's play with this q. Look at this one. Yeah. This q has 4 different forms depending on the place that we have it in a word. It's easy. Don't just, don't look at the so many letters here. No, it's so easy. This one, these 2 are lowercase, these 2 are capital. This one comes always at the beginning or in the place that it can only attach to other letters from here, not here. This one attached from both sides. It has to attach from both sides. That's all. Now let's go to the capital ones. This one is the one that comes always at the end, but it has to attach from here to the other letter, the letter before that. And this one comes always at the end and never attached to anything. As easy as this. Remember that other letters had different shapes, just one shape in different positions, and they could attach or they didn't. Here we have a specific one for a specific position. Now let's go and see how they look like in the actual words. See? Here it came at the beginning, so it attaches only from here. Here, this one comes because it has to attach from both sides. Here, again we have this one because it is in the middle, but only attached from here. This one is this because it has to attach and comes at the end. And here it comes at the end and never attaches. And it all depends on the letter before them, the position in the words. Let's read them together. First, غذا. غذا. غذا is the same as food in English. غذا, food. This one, نابغه. نابغه. نابغه is the same as genius in English. نابغه, genius, like you guys. This one, مرغابی. If you pay attention, you can read it yourself. مرغابی. مرغابی. مرغابی is the same as duck in English. That bird that goes and swims in the water. مرغابی. جیغ. جیغ. جیغ is the same as scream in English. And the last one, داغ. داغ. داغ is the same as hot in English. داغ, hot. See? That was all. You should, for practice, write 2 or 3 lines this, 2 or 3 this, and this. Each one of them 2 or 3 lines would be enough. And the part that it can attach to other letters, just show it with another color, okay? And try to write down each one of them just once for practice. And instead of saying food, we say غذا. Instead of saying genius, we say نابغه. Instead of saying duck, we say مرغابی. Instead of saying scream, we say جیغ. And instead of saying hot, we say داغ. That was all. Just when you did it, comment for me and let me know you did your practices. If you had any questions, please ask in the comments. I will answer. And don't forget to subscribe. See you all next session. Bye.